Gizo address a problem la. In fact, I am here to complain. I am here. Hello, Amanda. How are you, my love? I am here to cry out to this nation because I'm thinking with It's Hey, good morning. How are you, little Gushla? Hey, how are you? Let me tell you, right? One thing, right? I haven't even washed my face, you see. Hey, what pretty mama I am, right? Hey, but we crying homeland detain, poison detain, lap of face. Like, drilla halang. Ding tang, ijo. Hello, Lutando. Hello, Makeba. Guys, I'm here to complain, actually. You think every time when I post something, I'm like, oh, guys, listen. There is some makanda or something. You guys don't take me serious. Like, you guys just don't take me serious. I can't think I see well. Serious. Oh, but Fitz, what do you want me to do? And then I told you guys yesterday that I'm selling CMOS. Literally, only one lady was like, oh, how do I order it? Everyone else just like, hey, we voice a Thobeka. Thobeka. Oh, Fitz. Yeah, no. Nice CMOS, never? This is the CMOS. It's the glove. When it's again plug again, jealous actually to get this gorgeous clear skin. Like literally my last week. But now I'm healing. Because I'm putting in plug. Look in plug, look at that. Look in plug, I'm putting plug. I just take it short. But again, angeke nginforce ukuthi ma-out nibheke amathekeni ngama-CMOS. We're doing a Black Friday. Normally the CMOS is $350, but we're going to be selling it for $250 since it's Black Friday. And yeah, so we probably might do like a giveaway, but that's not sure. We just like you know. So CMOS, it helps with, it has 95 minerals, like all of them that you need for your body. If you're having iron issues, it's perfect for that. It also helps with skin glow. It also helps with digestion. It also helps with, you know, like if you have an issue with being bloated or whatever, it helps with all of those things. So instead of just getting like magnesium from a store when they're like, oh no, you lack magnesium or whatever, CMOS actually has all of those things that you need for your body. So technically, it's a cleanser type of a thing. So you eat 1 spoon of that gel and you have all those things that you need. So that's what it does. And probably in mean more other things. So yeah. Oh, Masli, una mas. Oh, sleep. See. Oh no, something, I think so. Yeah. I've been asked to actually go speak with her earlier on. Umkhaya wami ukuthi umkhaya wami ngampela ungazi kahle nje ngosami ngisanempandla ke lapho ngisanembungculu ngitshele ngisanembungculu nga grade 1 na grade 2 na grade 3 I had mbungculu but yeah injalo nje awu qiniso buthi nikahle insizwa kithi. So how we order? Okay, I'm gonna put the details on a TikTok story, and you guys can actually like but wait, so let me see now. Babies, I use our cell phone numbers. I use my cell phone numbers. Oh, yours is a business one though. Mine is not. It's like a personal one. I will put the details. I will put the details on a story or on another video as to how you guys can go about ordering it. So, especially starts tomorrow, and the order takes about 3 to 5 working days for you to get it, but we're gonna try by all means to make sure that it takes at least 1 or 2 days. But yeah, of course, if you're example like living somewhere far and we have to deliver it to you, so delivery is not free. Yeah, but if you are around Durban, like too far from Etegwin, you can just probably deliver it to us, like we'll meet you somewhere and we'll give it to you. Is Shepherd your best friend? No, it's actually my big brother. He's not my best friend. He's too old to be my best friend. He's a fossil, for God's sake. No. He's a mkulu to be my best friend. No, Lulwazi is my best friend. She's so... Yes, I'll be she's smiling, it worked. Your connection is so bad. I don't even know. Like, Wi-Fi I say Luna ginjalo. Kila makota pesgo SQL. How is your family? Oh my God! Thank you so much, guys. But Igoli is a zoning umpela. Let me tell you all, because I was so shocked, right? The reason why I said what I said, right? Because I was just so shocked. I'm like, Aiba, what kind of Inhlogo comes in a whole head? Aiba, I was like, what you're doing in Joburg? In Durban, if you get Inhlogo, you'll get it Tlatel, right? They would cut it into pieces. Aiba, not Joburg people giving us a whole head. And I'm thinking,